Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start fast. Confirm your iPhone has the latest iOS and at least 5 GB free, because you'll stream content. Next, set up a cloud Android host on your computer or rent a cloud emulator and create an account. This runs Android remotely so you can avoid jailbreaking. Once done, enable two-factor authentication and sign into the same account on both the host and your iPhone. This links devices securely and lets you proceed to app installation and remote display. You now connect and configure. Open the host's companion app on iOS and grant necessary permissions like screen recording, microphone, and local network. Then, on the remote Android host, install the desired Android app via Play Store or sideload the APK if unavailable. Make sure to set resolution and input mapping to match your iPhone screen for responsive taps and gestures. Adjust audio forwarding so sound streams to your device. If performance lags, lower resolution or enable adaptive bitrate to stabilize the experience. Finish by testing the app thoroughly. Open menus, sign into accounts, and confirm notifications and background tasks behave as expected. If you see input lag or stuttering, make sure to reduce resolution, switch the stream to 30 frames per second, or use a wired tether between host and router for lower latency. If login or streaming fails, re-sign the session, clear the host app cache, and restart the remote host. One key tip: always check account permissions and network stability first when something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.